Good day, everyone. I just received a message on my phone and I want to cover that with you because I feel like I'm being harassed by our government. And I will go through the other messages that I've received from them and just discuss what they actually mean, what they are saying, and how I feel about them. Because it's really annoying um, when you get a message, you haven't asked for it, and it just arrives on your phone, which means they're sitting with your phone number for some unknown reason. And maybe we should ask all the cellular network providers why they're giving out details to the South African government. um, the beauty about my phone is that it saw it as spam and said, should we say that this is spam and then I will not be harassed by this nonsense anymore? But because I'm doing what I'm doing, I want to be aware of what they send out to the people and the mindset of government, who see themselves as our parents more than people serving us. And this is couldn't be more clear than now during this time. This is Easter now, and they sent out a message where they said, we wish South Africans a safe, long weekend. And then said, let us reflect on what we lost as a country. We are strong when standing together. Yes, I want to reflect on what we have lost as a country. Our sanity, we have lost our businesses, we have lost our livelihoods, we have lost our freedom of movement, we have lost our freedom of association, we have lost our freedom of being able to practice our religions. There's many things that we have lost, South African government. I want to go through the other messages that they have also sent in the past in this thread, so that you can understand where their minds are at. But they can have their version of things, and I have my version of how I see things, my perspective on history as well as the future. And this is what I'm giving you. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video. Click the like button. It helps to drive the algorithms that show this video to more people on YouTube. This channel has had a huge resurgence, and this is important. And I can tell you that our meetings in Durban, as I don't have expectations of how many people will come to meetings, but I can tell you that I was surprised when I saw the number of cars yesterday, when I saw the number of people in the first meeting. It was absolutely overwhelming. We've had to actually change the venue for the meeting today, the follow-up meeting, which I consider is more important, so that we can accommodate everyone. So this is all very, very good news. What we're doing on the ground, it is working, and we're doing it the right way. That is why it's working. Any other way will fail. I want to go through these messages with you. The first one that I received to this phone: South Africa is experiencing the resurgence of the COVID-19. They call it the COVID-19. Really? That's not just scientifically inaccurate, it's utter nonsense. And then they say, which necessitates immediate behavioral change from all citizens. Now, the first thing they should change there is they should say from all subjects, because they are subjecting you to their rule of law. You are not a citizen if you are not in charge of the government. And we certainly are not that in South Africa at the moment. And if you come to one of my meetings, I'll explain to you exactly why. So I said that the MAC, the Ministerial Advisory Committee on the Coronavirus Pandemic, as they call it, that they got rid of all the medical staff and they now have behavioral specialists on that committee, because this is not about a disease or people dying or anything like that, or virus at all. It is about changing people's behavior. And it proves that this is the main focus. And this happened soon after the World Health Organization sent their top 40 odd experts to South Africa to focus on us because we are the naughty children. And this is why Cyril Ramaphosa has to speak to his family. He calls us his family. He thinks he's the father. You are absolutely out of your mind, Mr. President. The next message: we all need to continue adhering to health protocols of wearing our mask, practicing social distancing, and washing our hands. Okay? We have to adhere to protocol. A protocol is not a law, it's not a regulation or any of those things. They are now saying that we have to follow certain protocols. What utter nonsense. It gets worse. The next one, it is compulsory to wear a mask in a public space. Can you see how they evolving this thread of first there's a threat, a resurgence, then the next thing they say is that you need to now comply with the protocols, and now they're telling you that something's going to happen to you if you don't. This evolution of the threat. We all need to continue adhering to health protocols was the last one, and in the next one it is compulsory to wear a mask in a public space. Anyone who does not wear a mask is committing an offense and can be arrested. Quite an escalation from adhering to health protocols, don't you think? Let's continue. Now they're threatening businesses. Businesses and industries are urged to ensure compliance with COVID-19 safety at workplaces. Urged. Next, stay safe by downloading. Here it comes. The COVID Alert SA app as a measure to protect yourself and those around you. How can a flippant application protect you from a virus flying around in the air? Most of us has had that virus through our bodies. We didn't even know about it because it was a non-event, because this shouldn't be called a pandemic. When they changed their definition to remove deaths from it, then it became population control, and this is exactly what's happened. And then the last message, we wish South Africans a safe long weekend. Let us reflect on what we lost as a country. Please, I want you to reflect over this Easter weekend what you have lost during this time because of our government's draconian measures that cannot be found in science, in the end results of a virus, I said, had people falling over in the streets. It is all nonsense, and I'm sick and tired of it. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and subscribe if you have not. Click the bell icon. And thanks to those of you who continue to contribute to make this channel a possibility and the tour a possibility. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. We need to continue the work on the ground. Till the next video.